You know that feeling, right? That pit in your stomach when you're watching the very last bag circle the carousel and it's still not yours. Well, you're in the right place. Today we are going to completely overhaul how you think about your checked luggage. We're going from hopeful passenger to, well, your bag's own personal detective.
Okay, first things first, let's just shatter a really common myth. That little TSA-approved lock you've been told to trust? The hard truth is, for anyone who knows what they're doing, it's not a shield. It's more like a bullseye. It's an open invitation.
And the scale of this whole problem? It is just wild. We're talking 7 million mishandled bags in a single year. But here's the insider secret. A huge number of those weren't just simple mix-ups. No, they were totally preventable failures in a system that's, frankly, kind of broken.
And that brings us right to our first section, the luggage security myth. We're going to pull back the curtain on how the tools and the systems that we've all been trusting for decades are not just a little outdated, but fundamentally flawed.
So, here it is, the fatal flaw. A few years back, the master keys for every single TSA-approved lock were leaked online. Yeah, so today, anybody with a 3D printer can make a key that'll pop open your bag in about 2 seconds. That lock you bought, it's basically just luggage jewelry at this point.
So what do? How do you fight back? Well, this starts with a mindset shift. You stop being a passive traveler and you become what we're calling a forensic traveler. This is all about building your own personal multi-layered defense system for your luggage way before you even think about heading to the airport.
And your very first line of defense is the bag itself. You know, those soft-sided bags, they can be sliced open so easily. But a hard-shell case, one made of polycarbonate or aluminum, that's a fortress. Right away, your bag becomes a much harder target, and honestly, a lot less appealing to a thief. Now, check out how these layers all work together. It's pretty smart. First, you get a bag with an anti-puncture zipper. That stops that common trick where thieves poke a pen into the zipper to open it. Second, you add a strong non-TSA lock. This forces a thief to actually break it, leaving obvious evidence. And finally, a simple, brightly colored zip tie. That's your tamper evidence seal. If that thing is cut, you have instant proof that someone was in your bag.
Okay, next up is your digital arsenal. Before you leave the house, take a quick photo of your bag and what's inside it. Then hide a tracker, like an AirTag, deep inside the bag. Don't put it in an outside pocket where it's the first thing someone will find. And here's the pro move, find your PNR, your passenger name record. It's that 6-character code for your whole trip. Write that on a tag and put it inside the bag. If an airline employee finds your bag, that code is the fastest way for them to figure out who you are. Now, while you're busy fortifying your bag, let's take a look behind the curtain. Because airports and airlines, they're not just sitting around. They're actually rolling out a powerful new weapon of their own, a kind of invisible AI guardian that's watching over the entire baggage system.
This new tech is called Predictive Baggage Analytics. Now, instead of waiting for a bag to go missing and then trying to find it, systems like Cetus Bag Radar are analyzing millions of data points as they happen. They can actually predict a problem, say a really tight connection, and alert the ground crews to step in before your bag even has a chance to get left behind.
And listen, as Cetus Nicole Hogg puts it, this is a huge shift from being reactive to being proactive. In the past, all this data was just used to figure out what went wrong after the fact. Now, they're using that same exact data to predict the future and stop the mistake from happening in the first place.
The way it works is it just pulls in everything. Baggage tracking messages, flight schedules, what's happening on the ground, all into one intelligent dashboard. It can see a group of bags heading for a tight transfer, automatically flag them as high risk, and tell the ground crew, hey, prioritize these ones. It's basically your bag's silent guardian angel.
But what if, after all that, your bag still goes missing? Well, this is where things get really exciting. The power dynamic is totally shifting. It's moving away from just the airline and turning recovery into a collaboration with you.
We all know the old way, right? The frustration is real. You file a report, they give you a reference number, and then you just wait. You're powerless, just hoping that someone, somewhere, is looking for your bag based on data that might be hours or even days old.
The new way completely flips that script. With that tracker in your bag, you've got live, real-time location data. You're not waiting anymore. You're an active player in the game. You can literally show the airline on a map exactly where to go look for your stuff. And all of this collaboration is being powered by a massive global system called WorldTracer. You can think of it like the central nervous system for all lost luggage. It connects over 500 airlines across thousands of airports, all to find and return missing bags.
And now, WorldTracer is plugging into platforms like Google's Find Hub. What this means is you can generate a secure link from your phone that feeds your bag's live location directly into the airline's official system. And you are in complete control. You can turn off access whenever you want, and the link automatically expires. It's your data, shared on your terms, to get your bag back way faster.
So when you put this all together, what does it mean for your next trip? It means it's time for a new playbook. You now have a set of proactive strategies that really stack the odds of a safe return overwhelmingly in your favor.
Let's just recap that playbook real quick. 1. Harden your bag. Hard shell case, layered locking strategy. 2. Create digital evidence. Photos, documents, and that hidden tracker. 3. Understand the tech. Just know that the airport's AI is already working behind the scenes for you. And 4. Become the detective. If your bag does go missing, use your own data to actively help the airline find it.
So here's the big takeaway. Your luggage? It's not just a box you hand over and cross your fingers for anymore. It's a data point in a huge global network. And that really just leaves one question. Are you ready to be its detective?